to today is I want to start cutting more wood. So I'm driving out into the woods on some of our trails, and I got my saw's down right now. I ordered a new bar. My bar's wiped out, and I'm going to cut some wood that I know's down into rounds, and then whenever my fiance is able after work or whatever, she's gonna come, and she likes doing CrossFit and stuff, so she's gonna come and pick up the rounds and haul them to my wood splitting area. So I'm on the way out to some wood right now. Got this wood here I gotta finish cutting up. It's a tree I cut down that was dead. The loggers are really clearing. Those woods used to be really thick, or not thick, but full. And there's a lot of sunlight coming in there, so that's kind of sad, but what are we gonna do? At least we own it now. I have about 45 minutes to cut before I gotta go get showered for work. I need to work on clearing this trail here. This goes over to our new property. Well, it will connect to the field over there. This tree fell up here a month or two ago. I need to get it chopped up. I'm using her saw today. It's nicer than mine. It's Steel MS 290. So hopefully this chain's sharp. I think the chain's too sharp. Today's video, I got up early before work. I got about an hour to cut, 45 minutes. And I'm just trying to cut rounds and leave them on different spots around the property, as I explained the other day. Turns out both the chains were dull. That's my fiance's saw, so I don't usually use it, but I just got a bar. It just came today, but it's the wrong one. It'll work, but it's not what I ordered from Amazon for my Husqvarna. But I sharpened all the chains up, so we should be good to go now. But I'm cutting rounds. I'm leaving them around the property, and then she's gonna come out whenever she's available and pick them up and haul them to the splitting area. I've had this tree I dropped probably over a month and a half ago. It was dead, standing, and I dropped it. We burned the stump up, and the thing had ants in it. It had a lot of carpenter ants in it, and now I'm just cutting the rounds, and we got to get it up out of here. It's been sitting here too long. That saw's cutting so much better now that I sharpened it. Alright, I'm going to cut a little bit more up here. I got some more to cut in the woods. I'm going to try to knock it out real quick. that's it for me on cutting. She can come and pick up those rounds and that other stack of rounds.
Hi. Hi. We're just gonna be in here until you actually get seen.
You're not even making any sense.
You are.
Tell them we're gonna clear some trails. Look
We're
right
gonna
there.
clear some trails.
There's one of the
I'm going to put.
Stand back, tall.
We had an old trail here that's been overgrown, trees fell on it, we cleared it up, and now we're making this trail across this creek. We gotta get through all them briars, we call them jaggers here in Pennsylvania. I gotta make a trail, or field, on our new properties right there. I don't know, 80 to 100 yards. So, I got my four-wheeler out, the Grizzly 660, with some aggressive swamp lights, and I'm just gonna act as a bulldozer because it's good at that. buck.
Oh yeah? How
He was
big?
laying right on the edge of the field, and
I heard
it's real thick there.
Yeah.
And as I went over this hill,